And Jaden practices.
And of course.
And then this is hilarious, guys.
And my name is actually Kitty Gamer. Miss. Or Kitty Gamer. Or Wolf.
Yes, and this is Kitty Gamer right here. And
I'm Wolf Gaming.
Okay.
Wait,
And
Kitty? Wolf Gaming.
And then Jaden's doing his kung fu. Hey, Jaden, I dare you to run up to Minnie and run away from her. And Minnie's like, what the heck?
Hey, Minnie!
Let's back up so we get a bigger angle.
Okay.
Hey, Jaden! 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 Jaden!
Jay!
JJ, I dare you to run up with Minnie without a stick, and I dare you to let Minnie chase you.
Yeah!
Okay, this first funny moment is over. Cover up your camera. Don't turn it off. The second funny thing about them.
Good job, Minnie! Wait, I'm gonna zoom in this. I'm gonna zoom in.
Don't stand too close in case y'all fall.
I got close to Jaden. See what he's doing. Get close to him.
Minnie's like, what's up, Addison?
Oh, poor Minnie.
Hey, look at Addison. She's like, hey, Madeline. And then here comes Jaden. Hey, Jaden. Hey, Kinsey. So, this was the end of Kinsey's video. Turn your video off because you're going to make my video.